Alright, for this experiment you're going to need a bowl of water. There doesn't have to be very much at all actually, just enough to cover the bottom of the bowl. Having more isn't going to hurt, but it's not really going to do anything for you either. It's just kind of a waste of water. So you got your bowl here, and you're going to need some pepper. Pepper grinder here, and you're going to want to grind the pepper straight into the bowl of water. You don't need to do it as much as I'm doing it here. I'm just doing it so that you can kind of see more clearly what's happening. You can see little floating pepper particles in the water. Next, you're going to want a bottle of soap, probably dish soap or something. Also, you'll want a Q-tip, or your finger will also work. I'm going to use my Q-tip here. So you're going to want to put some of this dish soap onto the Q-tip or your finger. The dot, that, and then I'm going to want to stick this directly in the center of the bowl. And you can see the particles, at the surface level at least, all moved out towards the edge of the bowl. This is because of the surface tension. It's broken. You get the dish soap in there. So now we're going to step up the experiment a little bit. You can see we got the bowl back, except now there's no water in it. Instead, this time, we're going to be using just milk instead of water. For this experiment, I'm going to be using skim milk. It doesn't make a difference if we use this or a different kind. This is just what I found at my house. So, pour some into the surface level of the bowl. Make sure there aren't any bubbles. You can even your Q-tips here. Just make sure that it's a smooth surface. So then you're going to want to get, instead of pepper this time, we're going to go to food coloring. Just have a regular water-based food coloring. The four basic colors: yellow, blue, red, and green. And then you're going to want to put them sort of circle around each other. So I'm putting about 2 drops of each color in the middle. Now, you're going to take your soap again and fresh Q-tip, and right now I'm putting a dish soap on it, so here you go. Dish soap on the Q-tip, and we're going to do as we did before, and just watch the colors. So it kind of forces the colors apart, and it's just a cooler version of that experiment. Alright, for this experiment you're going to need a candle, some vinegar, baking soda, a spoon, something to pour out of, and a lighter. So what you want to do is light a you're going to want, actually first you're going to want to pour the vinegar into something you can pour out of easily. Here I decided to do it out of a measuring cup. And you're going to want to put your vinegar into that and your baking soda into a spoon. So I've already done that here. Then you're going to want to light your flame. Now that you have the flame here, you're going to take you're going to have to do this pretty fast because you don't want the gas, the carbon dioxide, to escape too quickly. So as soon as I dump the baking soda into the vinegar, I'm going to pour the gas, not the liquid, onto the flame. So, see it bubbling up right away. Now, if you pour it over slightly, the flame goes out. Try it again while the gas is still there. And we'll see if we can do it one more time. As you can see, I'll even talk while I'm doing this so you can see that I'm not blowing this candle out. So you pour the vinegar, or the baking soda vinegar mixture, over the candle, and the gas puts it out. Or we simply take the flame here, put it close to the liquid, it goes out, because the carbon dioxide snuffs the flame. So because carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen, it sinks, kind of. So that way it's easy to pour, and it also kills flames, because flames need oxygen, and it will deprive the flame of oxygen.